What is up, guys? It is Max Imagination here. For this week's video, I thought I'll show you how to make an electric fidget spinner. It's basically a DC motor, a battery, and an on and off switch connected to a fidget spinner, and it makes it spin really fast. Now, if you want to know how to make it, let's get started. You will need a soldering iron, your fidget spinner, of course, some soldering lead, the circular gear, which is a right angle turn gear, your 3.7 volt battery, a tennis dampener, a DC motor, and we have a switch here, and a hot glue gun. First, you're going to start out by gluing your DC motor onto your finger cap. Then attaching this gear to it. And then you're going to glue the dampener on. Then you're going to glue everything you've just done back to your fidget spinner. Wire the negative end of the battery to the switch, and then you're going to solder it. And you're going to wire the other end of the switch to basically the DC motor, and then you're going to solder it, and then wire the positive end of the battery to the negative end on the DC motor. And then you're going to put some hot glue on top of the DC motor and glue your battery on. And also glue your switch on, just like that. And now we're done with our fidget spinner. Pretty cool, huh? Okay guys, that is all for this week's video, showing you how to make this electric fidget spinner. And if you enjoyed it, like always, like this video, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, guys! See you next week! Peace!